Hello, my name is Srinivas Rahul. This project is to be submitted to Fall Hackathon 2022 at UMKC in Entrepreneur Communication track. My project title is Falcon Labs. Motivation and significance. The motivation behind this project is to come up with an idea where students don't need to worry about having high configuration laptops with them to run any software. So students can do coding on the web with minimum RAM and hard disk of their laptops or desktops. This helps students or the customers decide which technology they want to use irrespective of the system configuration they have. Use cases. With this web application, students or the customers can create an entire software application without installing the required software or the application within their systems and can be able to deploy them with fewer issues onto the cloud. The main aim of this project is to provide the students a web interface where they can do coding on web without the configuration overhead while installing required tools to run any software application. I came up with this idea when I realized many students need more high-end laptops to test or run their software applications. This makes it difficult for students to run applications that require high RAM, high disk space, or high GPU, as these could be costlier. I want to provide a web interface where they don't need to install any software application onto their laptop, and with the use of this web interface application, they can run any large application without installing any software onto their systems or laptops. This reduces the overhead for the students to install any computer science software tool to run any large application or deploy them. This is the interface of the web application. As you can see here, on the left side, I have 4 tabs: programming, web development, data science, and big data. So students can go through all these 4 tabs and pick any software application or tool from here, and then they can just start coding without installing the required software application onto their systems through this web application. As we can see here, I have selected data science, so we can see all the data science tools at one place, and students or the customers can just click any tool they want and they can start coding on the web. So there is no need to install any software application on the laptops or the desktops. With this web application, students or the customers can run any large software without installing the applications onto their systems, as all the softwares are pre-installed within the web, within the cloud, and they can easily deploy them within the website to a cloud interface, and they can deploy their software application onto GitHub with this interface without any overhead of installing software application onto their systems. This is the basic business model of this project, where I have provided the description of the project, revenue streams, customer target, pricing, challenges, and growth opportunity. So here the customer targets are the universities or online learning, and revenue streams. Here the students will be given a limited amount of storage and access to the resources. After limited usage, students can choose to pay if they need more resources as they use this web application. The cost estimation and timeline are provided in this slide. For developing the UI design of the project, it might take 1 month, and the cost estimation for designing a UI can be $5,000. And for the whole application development, it might take 6 months, and the approximate investment can be $50,000. And then the maintenance will be $10,000 per annum. The total cost for this project to deploy the entire web application as shown can be between $65,000 to $75,000. Thank you.